This is the stock. This is the LED. Yeah, I really don't need that knife after all. Lasfit LED Lighting. LT-T10. 12 volts, and this is the 400 lumens, 19 pack of 2, and this is going to be for my side mirrors for my FJ. I've been extremely happy with their headlights. As you all know, if you've been following this channel, I have both their headlights LED lighting for my Avalon and also my FJ Cruiser. I'll get installing. Hang tight, I'll show you how to install this. I already did the passenger side, replace the light bulb, but I'm gonna do it again just in case the my instruction on the passenger side mirror is not clear enough. So let me tell you that there's actually two hooks, upward hooks on top, so you can't pry this off to the right from the right hand side or the left hand side, and definitely you cannot peel this off from the top like that, right? So definitely can't do it this way, right? You will see a lot of videos and how to when they pull it on this side right here or the opposite side. It's because those two upward hooks are already broken. That's why you could do that. But the way to do this is just from underneath. There's two retaining clips here, two retaining clips here, and two retaining clips. So a total of 6 plus the 2 upward hooks on the top. So the way to do it, I hope you have small fingers. All you have to do is reach in and just pull evenly. There you go. There's those 2 hooks, retaining clips, retaining clips, retaining clips. So putting it back in, you have to hook this up first, hook it up like that, and then press down. But we got to what we needed right here, counterclockwise. There's the bulb. It's a wedge. Just pull it. Lasfit. 400 lumens. Model is L-T as in Tom 10. As I mentioned, I already did the passenger side. Been happy with Lasfit. Awesome warranty. And also, as I mentioned, I've installed it on my FJ and Avalon. Just plug and play. Insert it. And clockwise. You know what? Just to be sure, let's turn on the lights. Check it out. There you go. Put it back in. That's in. Hook it and press. That's snapped in. And just feel underneath to make sure that it is snapped in place. Yep. Yep. All set. That's it, you guys. That was nice and easy. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it very much. If you haven't click subscribe, and don't forget to click on that notification bell. Thanks a lot, you guys. Have a good one. This is the stock. This is the LED. Check that out. This is the center of the FJ. I can definitely tell the difference. If you've seen other YouTubers, they're pulling it from right here initially right away. That's the wrong way of doing it. So always grab it from the bottom first. Support it and pull. Get underneath and pull it. That's it. That's that 2 hooks I was talking about. Let me remove it. See if you can see the difference. Anyway, I'll wait until nighttime, but I could tell the big difference already. Huge difference. Really cool. That's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. That looks awesome.